Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add Acuity scheduling to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on a blank page on one of my sites. This specific page is called scheduling, and I'm going to add the Acuity scheduling tab over here. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on edit once you're on the page that you want. And this is a very easy thing to do since Acuity is integrated into Squarespace. All you need to do is click add block and then scroll down until you get to the business section where you'll find your scheduling block over here. You're just going to want to click on that. And as you can see, you need to connect to Acuity scheduling. So I don't know why, but I need to connect to an existing account for some odd reason because my account isn't connecting, and rather there we go. If you don't have an account, you're going to need to click on that link and connect to Acuity scheduling. But as you can see, I already have it connected. So as you can see, it has added that over here, and that is pretty much it. Now, if you don't have it connected, all you need to do is click on connect, and then you're going to have to click a link on Acuity scheduling itself. For example, I'll just go over into Acuity scheduling right now. So once this loads up, I'll show you exactly where to go. Just wait for it to load up. I'm not sure why it's taking this long to load, and there we go. For some reason, this is not on Acuity scheduling. There we go. Now we are. And once you're on Acuity scheduling, you want to click on your scheduling page link, click here to copy it, and paste it into this embed wherever it asks you for that. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.